Welcome to Technic Pharma Equipments, a trusted manufacturer and exporter of automatic oral liquid syrup manufacturing plants based in Vasai, Mumbai, India. For over 30 years, Technic Pharma has been delivering turnkey pharmaceutical manufacturing solutions, trusted by leading pharma and nutraceutical companies across India and abroad. Our automatic oral liquid syrup manufacturing plant is designed with precision, hygiene, and performance in mind, ensuring efficient preparation, mixing, filtration, and storage of oral liquids and syrups under GMP and compliance. Each plant includes a sugar syrup preparation vessel, a liquid manufacturing vessel with homogenizer, an inline filtration unit, transfer pumps and storage tanks, and an automatic bottle filling and capping line. Every component is made from high-quality stainless steel SS316, with advanced PLC-based automation and SIP cleaning system for seamless operation. At Technic Pharma Equipments, our goal is simple: to deliver quality, innovation, and reliability in every machine we build. Contact us today to discuss your project requirements.